In this video, you'll learn how to resize images in Notion. This process allows you to adjust the dimensions of images within your Notion pages, improving the layout and presentation of your content. By following these steps, you will gain control over how images appear in your workspace. Start by navigating to the Notion website, open your web browser, and enter the URL notion.so access the Notion application. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as a slow connection may affect your experience while loading content. Next, locate the page where you want to add or resize an image. Click on the title of the page to ensure it is active. If you have not created a page yet, you can easily do this by selecting New Page from the sidebar and typing in a relevant title. Once the page is open, click on a blank space within the document to ensure you are ready to input a new element. This action will help you avoid any accidental edits to existing content. After clicking, the cursor should appear, indicating you can start typing. At this point, type in /image to prompt Notion's image insertion feature. This command triggers a drop-down menu where you can select options related to images. After typing, a list should appear directly below your input, showcasing available options. After this, click on the image option from the drop-down menu. This selection will allow you to either upload an image from your device or select one from Unsplash, a free image library integrated into Notion. Ensure that you have the appropriate permissions if using images from external sources. Now, click on Unsplash to browse through a collection of images. You can also upload images from your device if you prefer. When selecting an image, ensure that the file size is manageable, as larger images may take longer to upload based on your internet speed. Choose an image that suits your needs by clicking on it. The selected image will then be inserted into your Notion page. If the image does not appear immediately, wait a moment for it to load properly, especially if your internet connection is slow. To resize the image, simply drag the slider that appears on the image itself. This slider allows you to adjust the size dynamically, providing immediate visual feedback. You can make the image smaller or larger based on your preferences. When resizing, you can drag the slider to minimize the image or expand it to fit your desired layout. Take care to maintain the aspect ratio if that is important for your presentation. Adjusting the size might also affect how text and other elements align around the image. For further adjustments, click and hold the 6 dots that appear on the image. This feature allows you to drag the image to a different position on the page. Positioning your image correctly can enhance the overall appearance of your content. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.